holidays, and welcome back, everybody. Hey, if you are looking to maybe diversify in some of your investments, have you ever considered purchasing gold, but you're not quite sure how to go about it? Well, my next guest is going to help us do that. I have joining me this morning one of the most well-known and highly respected experts in the United States coin market of the 21st century. This is Steve Deeds, everybody, and he is also the founder of Morgan Gold. Good morning.
Good morning, Lisa. Thanks for having me here.
Oh my gosh, thanks for coming on the show. And it's just so interesting to talk to you because, number one, tell me about your company. What exactly do you do?
Well, what we do is we educate people that they don't have to leave their dollars trapped in their retirement accounts and to either put in the stock market or to earn, what is it now, 0.5% a year they'll pay you in a money market. That because of an act of the U.S. government in 1997, you can actually use those funds to have gold and silver in your retirement funds.
But now, how do you go about that? And we were talking right before we came on here, and I think that I'm pretty much the common folk where I see the ads, gold is in demand. And why is it in demand so much right now?
Well, everybody wants it.
Okay, but how do you get it? Like, do I go to the bank and say, okay, I'm going to take out $200 and also I'd like an ounce of gold? And now what do I do with it?
In the 1930s you could, not today. Okay, they've taken these gold coins away from us. In 1933, they asked us to turn all these in. Okay?
Yeah.
The gold coins that we recommend for physical delivery. But regarding the retirement account, it's easy. You just call us. It's a 2-week process where your custodian sends the funds to your new custodian, and the metals are transferred into your account. Tax-free, penalty-free.
Okay.
There's no tax consequences, and there's no penalties for doing this. It's just you're getting rid of your dollars.
Okay.
Your U.S. dollars.
But now, then why is my financial planner not suggesting this to me? Like, if I could pick up the phone and also say, hey, you know what, I want to diversify a little bit more, maybe put some more stuff into Templeton Fund, or, you know, I'd like to purchase some more stocks or maybe issue some more bonds. But why is buying gold never really brought up to me?
Your financial planner can't sell you gold other than in a form of a stock or an exchange-traded fund.
Okay, so it has to be a whole separate process.
We believe in physical gold.
Okay.
Okay. People out there should think, in the last 10 years, have their financial planners done anything for them where they've made 500%?
Wow.
Gold, 10 years ago, was $270 an ounce. Today, $1,700 and change.
Oh my goodness.
Almost 500%.
Okay.
Ask your financial planner why he didn't get you in gold.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they might say, oh, it's too speculative. 11 years in a row now. 11 years in a row, 20% plus gain, year after year after year after year.
Okay, so, and let's talk baby steps, because, okay, people, I think, are a little intimidated. Do you suggest purchasing another precious metal, maybe silver, before gold?
Silver is more volatile. Gold is the big brother.
Okay.
Gold is the big brother. This is what our competitors on the world market now, India and China, this is what they buy.
Okay, so let's show everybody at home here. So if I contacted you and I said, you know, I'd like to get started, you would suggest purchasing some of these?
Right.
Now, what are we looking at here?
This was our money 100 years ago that we spent. These are $20 gold pieces from the 20th and the 19th century.
So if this is if these are $20 pieces, then what is their value?
About $2,500 today.
So this is $2,500?
Right.
This one right here, both of them? This
coin that was minted and was supposed to be circulated as a $20. It's $20.
Okay, so if I said to you, Steve, I'd like to buy some gold coins, and you'd say, okay, Lisa, you need to. If I wanted to buy 2 gold coins, the $20 pieces, how much would that cost me?
Well, just like a diamond or anything else,
Okay.
it depends on the condition.
Okay.
These are around $2,500. We have
Okay.
some for less.
Okay.
We have some for more.
Got it, got it. Is gold still on the rise?
Yeah. Well, yes. I mean, gold will finish up well over 20% again this year.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now what is this? You brought some more coins here, and why? How is this different?
This
from
is
these
tricky
two?
to open.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. These you cannot put in your retirement accounts. The government doesn't allow you. But this is what we put in most of our retirement accounts. They're
Go ahead, sir.
they're coins that are struck by the U.S. Mint in proof condition. This is what's called the 4-piece set. It gives you 4 different denominations: a tenth, quarter, half, and a 1-ounce gold coin. This is what we put in most of our retirement accounts.
Okay, okay. So for me to get started with this, I would call you and I'd say, listen, I have a budget. This is what I'd like to allocate. This is how I'd like to incorporate it
thing
into
we'll
my
do-
retirement.
The first thing we'll do is try to figure out your financial situation.
Okay.
Okay, we don't want you to overspend. We want you to, and by spending, you're buying insurance, as I mentioned to you earlier.
Right.
This is portfolio insurance. You have insurance for your house, your car, your life. You need portfolio insurance.
But and then start to diversify and baby steps and
Baby
venture out in
steps.
another direction here.
Just
okay.
do something that makes you feel warm and fuzzy, you know, nice and comfortable.
Well, and it's so good to know this information. So like I said, I mean, I'll go to a jewelry store and buy a necklace, a gold necklace or a ring, but I didn't quite know how do you get started into buying pieces of gold.
Well, most people have their financial planner, and the financial planner won't sell you gold unless it's in, like I said, stocks or ETFs, but that's paper gold.
Right. Good to know. Good to know.
This is in your hand.
Right.
Okay.
Steve, thank you so very much.
You bet.
And everybody, you know what? Take a chance, try to diversify, and buy some gold. It's time. We'll be right back after this.